Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. So I'm going to pull out Adriana's hair. Adriana, say hi. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Like Adriana don't in the mood today
Why have I never
because she
heard of this
doesn't want to
app
pull out her
before? This
hair.
is
I have to be
called
forcing her.
One day I was like, why is my kid so quiet? And she was in the living room coloring, and this is the reason.
Hey there! Looking for
Turn
that
that down
hard
to the
copy,
Adriana.
adrenaline rush kind of gaming experience?
I'm just gonna
Check out our
get her
mentor,
ear pulled out.
fast-paced brawl that wraps up
And
in
chest is
3
up
to
in
5
one.
minutes. You've got
She's
time
going to
to
stay
switch
over with her
and
grandma
master
because
your
as I said in the next video, I'm gonna run some errands. So I've gotta get her here pull out because it's been a while that I have combed her hair. It's a bit messy. It's not a bit messy, it's messy. So I'm getting her hair pulled out. And I think I can just get it up in there. Guys, what's the weather like? We're hot. The weather is in Jamaica right now is changing. The climate is changing. The time is very cold. Even when the sun is outside, the place is very cold. I heard that some parts of Florida, I don't know. It's there's a snowstorm. I'm not sure. It's what I heard. But the weather is, climate is changing. Time is so chilly. Even though the sun is outside, sun come up outside hot, but the place is very cold. Even though it's not that quite late, it's about 2:11 right now, or 10 o'clock. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. My birthday is coming up, guys, and I'm so excited. My birthday is coming up and I'm so excited. I don't plan anything as yet. I'm gonna have a good time indeed. I don't think I'm going out of parish for my birthday this year, guys. I normally go out of parish, but I think I want to spend it in my parish with my families and friends and enjoy my birthday. I'm a fussy person. When it comes down to my birthday, I'm very fussy. I'm so excited, guys. I can't wait. Thinking of anything special. Just gonna give God thanks. Just giving God thanks for another year. Another year wiser, another year smarter. That's just it.
The bikini bottom.
So I'm using extreme gel to set Adriana's ear in one. Hold on, you want 4 months. I'll be back. So this is Adriana's ear, guys, all done, looking cute and lovely. Yeah, she's getting ready to go to her grandma. Show them, Adriana, get up and show them. Show them your ear. Oh, your ear pretty, show them. Show them now. Show them your ear. All done, looking so cute and lovely. So that is it for today. Until next time, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.